Hello students, I hope you all are fine at your home. In this video we are going to talk about mitochondria. Okay, one of the very important cell organelles in chapter cell. So let me tell you all first, it was first observed by Kolliker in 1880. Okay students, and then C. Benda gave the term mitochondria in 1897. One more thing students, largest cell organelles in an animal cell. Okay, in the last lecture, in the last video, we have discussed plastid is the largest cell organelles by considering in both plant and animals cell. Okay, and in the next, if you see the structure of the mitochondria, see this is the diagram given in your class 11th NCERT. Students, it is not given in your class 9th. So this is the structure of the mitochondria. It is double layered, double membrane bound cell organelles. This is the outer membrane, this is inner membrane, and between this inner and outer membrane there is a intermembrane space. Okay, there are some finger like structures. See, this like finger like, this is like finger like. This is that is the projection of the inner membrane. Outer membrane is not making any finger like structure, see, but this is the inner membrane. This is the inner membrane. See, this is the inner membrane. Okay, having some folding into the matrix, and this finger like structure is known as cristae. Okay students, and one more thing, in this is the structure of plant mitochondria. There is a little difference into an animal cell. Okay, at the place of cristae there is a structure called tubule. Tubule is found. Okay, got the point? So tubule is found into an animal cell and cristae is found into plant cell. And actually the difference is in their structures. Structure means cristae are compactly arranged, but tubules are not completely arranged. And on the membrane of the inner membrane, okay, on its surface there is a one more structure present called elementary particles. One more thing students, elementary particles are so visible in the case of animal cell, okay, on the tubule. Listen me students once more. Elementary particles are the structures present on the inner membrane of mitochondria that is called we can say that is called tubule. Okay students, that's called tubule. And these elementary particles are also known as F0 F1 particles, or so popular name is the oxysome. What is the function of oxysome? This is very important questions to you know about it. Site of ATP synthesis. Okay, and as I told you all, mitochondria also has its own DNA, so it is also called semi-autonomous cell organelles. See student, it is semi-autonomous cell organelles. Why? Because it has own DNA, own 70s ribosome. Okay, so it can make own protein. It can divide by binary fission. Because it is having all property of the prokaryotic cell. Okay students, and this is all about structure of the mitochondria. And one more thing that is very very important thing, that is a cellular mitochondria is a cell organelles in which cellular respiration takes place. Not getting the point? See, let me do all first. You all have seen about the respiration, respiration. Okay, so it has two parts in for the animals. Okay, first is the breathing, second is the cellular respiration. And this cellular respiration is again divided into four step. First is the glycolysis, next is the link reaction, next is the Krebs cycle, last one is the electron transport system. Okay students, and by this process overall ATP is synthesized. ATPs are formed. Okay, and full form the ATP is the adenosine triphosphate. So these ATPs are synthesized into the mitochondria, especially by these three process: ETS, Krebs cycle, link reaction. Glycolysis takes place into cytoplasm. But these all three takes place into mitochondria. Okay students, I hope you have got the point. Glycolysis takes place in all, whether it is prokaryotic or eukaryotic, in their cytoplasm only, but these three takes place into the mitochondria. Okay. One more thing, let us study more about the ATP. ATP is also called energy currency of the cell. Means mitochondria is also known as powerhouse of the cell. It is not written there, so powerhouse of the cell, whether it is plant cell or whether it is an animal cell. Okay, in both cases. So sorry students, powerhouse of the cell. And in which form this they synthesize the energy? They synthesize the energy in form of ATP, and that is called energy currency of the cell. So student, that is the energy currency of the cell. And ATP is also called ultimate source of cellular energy. Okay students, and some book is also called energy broker. Okay, so this is all about the mitochondria. I hope you will have got the point. If there is any point left, having some doubt, write into the comment section, okay, below the video. And please do subscribe, comment, share my all videos, and because in the future I will be uploading so important topics of the biology. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.